Hi and welcome back. I'm a little bit further along here and I've already glued the stretcher assembly together. What I did is to apply glue to the stretchers and then I reassembled the chair to make sure that the stretcher is going to dry in exactly the right position. And then once that glue was set, I took everything apart and here I'm just getting ready to do the final assembly on the rest of the chair. The reason I did it that way is because I'm just using a regular wood glue here and it doesn't really have a long open time, especially on joints that need to slide together. So I assembled the stretcher first and then that gives me a lot of time to just assemble the legs and the stretchers together. And the last step of the assembly is to apply glue to the wedges and drive them into place. So now that the glue is set, I'm ready to saw off the tops of the legs and smooth everything out. To level out the chair, I'm just going to be inserting washers underneath the short legs until I get the measurements that I want. And at that point, I'll be able to scribe a line around the base of each leg, and that'll tell me how much I need to cut off. So here's the finished stool. Again, it's far from perfect, but it's certainly going to be a welcome addition to the shop, and it looks good when I do need to take it out somewhere. It'll fit in with whatever it is I'm doing. I know I'm going to get some comments about the turnings because they're not as fine as you would normally find on a Windsor chair, but I did that purposely. This chair is going to be knocked around a lot as I move it from place to place, and it's going to be used on soft ground a lot. So I didn't want to have any turnings that have sharp edges or things that could chip and nick, and I didn't want those fine pencil point legs that you would normally find on a Windsor because they would just sink into the soft ground. So I left it purposely bulky just so that it would resist all of that, wear and tear. But anyway, this is what I was after. I learned a lot from it, and the next one is certainly going to be a lot better, and I definitely will be making more of these. I've always liked Windsors, and this just really encouraged me to go ahead and refine the process even more. Hi, I'm Dennis, and thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can contact me directly by emailing the address I have displayed here. If you want to find out more about me and what I'm working on right now, go to my website, dfintheshop.com. Hi, I'm Dennis, and thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can contact me by using the email address that I have shown here. If you like the channel and the work that I'm doing, please consider becoming a patron. Every dollar you contribute will bring me one step closer to being able to produce videos full time.